Good morning, student. In last lecture, we already start the halogen derivative chapter. In that lecture, we have to see the classification and the definition of halogen derivative. In this lecture, we have to see the classification of a monohalogen compound. Myself, Bharat Patil. Then this session, we have to discuss the different classification of a monohalogen compound, in which we have to mainly see what is the alkyl halide, then classification of alkyl halide, allylic halide, then benzylic halide, what is the vinylic halide, what is the haloalkyne, and the lastly we have to see what is the aryl halide and some applications of that halogen derivative compounds. Then first of all we have to see the what is the monohalogen compound. The monohalogen compound in which the only one halogen atom is present, and we have to classify the monohalogen compound is based on the position of a halogen atom where it can be attached, or the attachment of a halogen atom to the which hybridized carbon atom. Before starting the classification, all of you know we have to discuss in a last year. Suppose the carbon is attached to another carbon by single bond, is a sp3 hybridized. Suppose the carbon is attached to the another carbon by double bond, is a sp2 hybridized. And the suppose the carbon is attached to another carbon by triple bond, means in alkyne the hybridization of carbon is a sp. All of you remind, and on the basis of that we have to discuss here the different classification of a monohalogen compound. Let us see the first classification of monohalogen compound is a alkyl halide, or it is also called as the haloalkane. In a alkyl halide, what happens? The halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon means this carbon which is attached to another carbon by single bond. And also the alkyl halide we have to classify into three types. One is a primary alkyl halide, another one is a secondary alkyl halide, and the last one is a tertiary alkyl halide. These are the example of that. In a first we have to see the halogen atom is attached to the this carbon atom, and which carbon is attached to another carbon by single bond, okay, and therefore it is a sp3 carbon atom. And here the halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon atom, when the primary carbon because which attached to the only one carbon atom, okay. In another structure we have to see this carbon is attached to the another two carbon atom, therefore it is the type is a secondary, and which is bonded by the single bond, therefore is a sp3 hybridized. And here the halogen atom is attached to the secondary carbon atom, therefore it is called as the secondary alkyl halide, okay. Example is the isopropyl chloride. And then in the last, in a tertiary halide, in which the halogen atom is attached to the tertiary carbon atom, when the carbon is a tertiary, when which is attached to the another carbon by the triple bond, okay. Suppose we have to write the CH3 CH3 CH3, therefore the name of that compound is a tertiary butyl is a halide. Suppose we have to write the chlorine is a chloride, bromine is a bromide, and iodide for the iodine, okay. Now we have to go to the next classification is a allylic halide. In a allylic halide we have to see the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 carbon atom, and which is attached to carbon carbon double bond, okay. Here also we have to see the halogen atom is attached to the sp3, when the carbon is a sp3 which is bonded to another carbon by single bond. Here we have to see single bond, here we have to see single bond, and which is attached to the carbon carbon double bond are called as the allylic halide. This allylic halide we have to use, suppose the halogen we have to replace by fluorine and bromine, this allylic halide we have to use as a fire retardant, is a fire extinguisher. Also these are the use as the solvent into the laboratory or industry. The next classification we have to see is a benzylic halide, is a very important classification of a monohalogen compound in which the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 carbon. All of you remind, the sp3 carbon means the carbon which is attached to another carbon by single bond and which is bonded to the benzene ring are called as the benzylic halide. So in a second structure we have to see the halogen atom is attached to this carbon is a sp3 because which is bonded to another carbon by single bond and which is attached to the benzene ring. This is called as the benzylic halide. The much important use of benzylic halide we have to use into the perfume and the flavor industry. It is also used into the dye industry, जे कपड्यांना आपले कलर दिलं जातं तिथे पण आपण याचा यूज करतोय. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज ॲज द प्लास्टिसायझर, याचा प्लास्टिसायझर म्हणून यूज करतोय. म्हणजे आपण जे घरगुती प्लास्टिक जे वापरतो ते अधिक सॉफ्ट मऊ होण्यासाठी किंवा मग स्ट्रेचेबल होण्यासाठी याचा आपण यूज करतोय. The next classification is a vinylic halide. Is a vinylic halide in which the halogen atom is directly attached to the sp2 carbon atom. When the carbon is a sp2 hybridized, when which is attached to another carbon by the double bond. Here we have to see the double bond. Therefore, it is a vinylic halide. Here also in a second structure we have to see the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 carbon atom. इथे आपण पाहतोय का हा हॅलोजन या sp2 कार्बनला अटॅच आहे. sp2 म्हणजे तो कार्बन दुसऱ्या कार्बनला डबल बॉन्डनी काय असेल अटॅच असेल. याचा आपण पहिल्या लेक्चरला युजेस बघितलेलंच आहे. सपोज द हॅलोजन ॲटम वी हॅव टू रिप्लेस बाय इज अ Cl, इज अ व्हिनाइल क्लोराइड and which is used for the preparation of a polyvinyl chloride means PVC. PVC जे आपण शेतीसाठी जे पाणी वाहून नेण्यासाठी जे पाईप यूज करतो त्याच्यामध्ये आपण या PVC पाईपचा यूज करतोय. किंवा मी तुम्हाला त्या दिवशी सांगितलं होतं का सपोज द ऑल द हायड्रोजन ॲटम ऑफ इथिन वी हॅव टू रिप्लेस बाय फ्लोरीन इज अ टेट्राफ्लोरोइथिलीन. इट इज अ यूज फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अ टेफ्लॉन. टेफ्लॉनचा आपण यूज करतोय आणि मग ते टेफ्लॉन कशासाठी यूज करतोय आपण, जे फायर रिटार्डंट म्हणून यूज करतोय. म्हणजे जर तुमची जी स्वयंपाकीची भांडी आहेत म्हणजे कुकर असेल किंवा एखादं फ्राईंग पॅन असेल तर त्याच्यामध्ये जे तुमचं पकडण्यासाठी जे असतं ते कशाचं असतं, टेफ्लॉनचं असतं. उष्णतारोधक म्हणून त्याचा यूज करतोय आपण. त्यानंतर आपण दुसऱ्या क्लासिफिकेशनकडे जाऊ. द नेक्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन इज अ हॅलो अल्काइन. The haloalkyne is a carbon-carbon triple bond. The simple example is acetylene, in which the hydrogen atom of alkyne we have to replace by the halogen atom, or we have to also say that the halogen atom is directly attached to the sp hybridized carbon atom are called as the haloalkyne. Sp means the carbon which is attached to another carbon by triple bond. Okay. The next and the final classification of a monohalogen compound is a aryl halide or haloarenes, in which the halogen atom is directly attached to the aromatic nucleus. Is a aromatic nucleus ला डायरेक्टली अटॅच असेल म्हणजे हायड्रोजन ॲटम ऑफ बेन्झीन वी हॅव टू रिप्लेस बाय हॅलोजन ॲटम, और ऑल्सो वी हॅव टू से द हॅलोजन ॲटम we have to attach to the sp2 carbon atom into the aromatic nucleus. आधी पण आपण विनायलिक बघितलं तिथे काय होतं, ओपन चेन कंपाऊंड होतं आणि तिथे ॲरोमॅटिक न्यूक्लियस नव्हतं. ओके, तिथं क्लोज कंपाऊंड आपण यूज करू शकतो पण ते ॲरोमॅटिक न्यूक्लियस नव्हतं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सायक्लोहेक्झेन किंवा सायक्लोहेक्झिनमध्ये आपण त्याचा यूज करू शकतो. पण इथे काय होतं, हिअर द हॅलोजन ॲटम इज अटॅच टू द sp3 कार्बन ॲटम. आणि हे जे अराईल हॅलाइड असतात त्याचं मेनली यूज आपण काय करतो, हर्बिसाइड्स म्हणून यूज करतोय. हर्बिसाइड तुम्ही ऐकलं असेल म्हणजे आपलं तृणनाशक. म्हणजे गवत आपण आता शेतीमध्ये समजा अनावश्यक जर गवत झालं असेल तर ते काढून टाकण्यासाठी आपण काय करतो, त्याचा यूज करतोय. तर अशा प्रकारे आपण हे क्लासिफिकेशन बघितलेलं आहे. आणि त्यानंतर मग तुमच्यासाठी होमवर्क, तर या लेक्चरनंतर तुम्ही होमवर्क काय करायचं आहे, तर डिफाईन द फॉलोइंग विथ द एक्झाम्पल. तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल सहित ते एक्सप्लेन करायचं आहे. द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज अ हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, द सेकंड वन is a dihalogen derivative, haloalkyne, secondary alkyl halide, then allylic halide, vinylic halide, aryl halide, and the last one is a benzylic halide. All of you write the definition of that and write at least 2 example of that compound. Thank you.